Yes, Bill, the moment of truth has arrived. It's time to move the DIY mountain known as range installation. A big challenge awaits, but you got this. Before we begin, you'll need some tools. First, double-check your space measurements for safety: length, width, and height. You will have done this before you ordered the range, but it never hurts to measure again. We're going to cover primarily electric ranges in this series. You'll want to contact a professional to handle anything related to gas lines. All right, it's time to get this bad boy powered up. Check to see if your wall outlet is a 3-prong or a 4-prong plug. Confirm your power cord matches the outlet, and then contact a professional installer or electrician to attach the cord. Your pro can also handle conduit installation to protect the wiring, and replace the access panel if needed. Next up is the anti-tip bracket to properly secure the device and reduce the risk of injury. It's important not to forget this step. Attach the bracket to the wall with the appropriate hardware for your surface type. You'll also need to raise the leveling leg to ensure it can slide into the bracket properly. Once the anti-tip bracket's applied, slide your range into place, and carefully try to tip it forward to ensure the bracket works. Oh, the front leveling legs are designed to be slanted, so don't try to straighten them. Now, use your wrench to raise and lower the range so it's level. Clockwise raises and counterclockwise lowers it. Check your level both horizontally and diagonally. Finally, it's important to install the burner heads and burner caps correctly in order for the burners to work properly. Check your manual for more guidance. For sure, Bill, there are lots of moving parts when it comes to oven installation. To recap, review your space measurements for an easy, safe fit. Don't mess with gas installations. Call a pro instead. Make sure your wall plug is a fit with the wall outlet, and have a pro attach the power cord. Install the anti-tip bracket that comes with the appliance. Slide the range into place, and try to tip the range forward to make sure it's secure. Then, use your wrench to level. If you have a gas range, make sure the burner heads and burner caps are installed correctly so that the burners work properly. Range installation is a big job, Bill. Consider yourself a true DIYer. DIYer. Is that a word?